am Ty with WTI, and I want to show you guys my Camille Rose Cocoa Nibs and Honey Strength Serum. So I absolutely love using this stuff because my hair is prone to breakage and it's really thin, especially up here in the crown area. My hair breaks off really fast. So I use this strength serum to combat that, and I really love it. I've been absolutely enjoying it. I typically just pour some onto my hand, and as you can see, it's like a clear serum. It's not too thick, and I apply it to the areas that are prone to breakage and the areas that are prone to dandruff, because this really does also keep my hair pretty moisturized. So then I apply it and I just massage it into my scalp. So I really enjoy using it. I think that it works great. I love the smell, and I love the oils and ingredients that are in here. And that's my point of view.